Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. My dear students, I am your social study teacher, Ms. Satya Firdaus. My dear students, today we are going to discuss the remaining exercise of lesson number 3, climate. Dears, at the time of reading, we discussed the following topics. Yes, my dear students, at the time of the reading, we discussed the following topics, like about the weather, about the climate, about the season, about the measuring devices, and who are the meteorologists. So, firstly, I just recap few of them. My dear students, some days are hot and sunny, some days are wet, and it rains a lot. Sometimes there are hot, dry winds blowing, sometimes there are thunderstorms. This is the daily weather. And my dear students, climate is the word we use for the usual weather a place has during a year. My dear students, the climate of a place is divided into different periods called season. And I told you there are the four seasons in Pakistan: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. My dears, the warm time of year is called summer, and the cold time of year is called winter. In autumn, which comes after summer, leaves fall from the trees. Yes, leaves fall from the trees. And in spring, new leaves come out on the trees. Yes. My dear students, at the end we discuss some measuring devices like thermometer, rain gauge, weather vane, anemometer, and barometer. And we discuss who are meteorologists. My dear students, people who study the weather and climate and keep records are called meteorologists. So, questions we are going to discuss today are fill in the blanks and match the columns. So, dears, firstly, let's discuss fill in the blanks. So, my dears, the first one is the hottest place in Pakistan is dash. Yes, the hottest place in Pakistan is Sibbi. Yes, my dear students. Number two is the climate of a place is divided into different periods called. My dears, the climate of a place is divided into different periods called season. My dears, I told you that there are four seasons in Pakistan: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. My dears, the warm time of year is called summer. The cold time of year is called winter. In autumn, which comes after summer, leaves fall from the trees. And in spring, which comes after winter, new leaves come out on the trees. Dear students, we have discussed 4 to 5 measuring devices like thermometer, rain gauge, weather vane, anemometer, and barometer. And thermometer is one of them. My dear students, a thermometer is an instrument that is used to measure temperature in degree Celsius. So, my dears, number 3 is temperature is measured in degree dash. So, the answer is now clear in front of you. Temperature is measured in degree Celsius. My dear students, before doing this, firstly we will discuss about the climate. My dears, climate is the word we use for the usual weather a place has during a year. In most parts of Pakistan, we have a warm climate and high up on the mountains of the north. And it is a mostly cloudy throughout the year. My dears, in the south, it is generally warm all year. So, my dears, number 4 is different places have different dash. Yes, the answer is different places have different climates. Yes, my dear students, as we have discussed in our previous slide that different places have different climates. Like I told you, in most parts of Pakistan we have a warm climate. High up on the mountain of the north, it is mostly cloudy throughout the year. Here, in this point, we will discuss about the south of Pakistan. So, my dears, number 5 is in the south of Pakistan, it is generally dash all year. Yes, in the south of Pakistan, it is generally warm all year. Yes, my dear students, now we will do the next question, which is match the column. Yes, my dear students, let's start this question. My dear students, as you can see, there are the two columns on the screen, column A and column B. There are the some numbers like A, B, C, D and E, and also there are the some words like barometer, anemometer, rain gauge and weather vane and the thermometer. My dear student, same like that there are the some sentences in the column B. So firstly we will take a one number or one word from the column A and we'll check which is the right matching with the column B. So let's start. Number A is barometer. Yes, my dear students, barometer used to measure air pressure. Yeah, this is the right matching. Next is anemometer. Anemometer used to measure wind speed. Yes, this is the right answer. Anemometer used to measure wind speed. My dear students, number C is rain gauge. My dear students, rain gauge will match used to measure rainfall. Yes, with uses of this instrument, we will measure rainfall or we can measure rainfall. So the right answer is, or right matching is, rain gauge used to measure rainfall. Yes, number D is weather vane. My dear students, weather vane used to find out the direction of the wind. Weather vane used to find out the direction of the wind. Yes, my dear student, thermometer is the last word in the column A. So, thermometer will match means thermometer used to measure temperature. Thermometer used to measure temperature. Yes, my dear students, we have discussed in this exercise about the climate, about the weather, about the season, about the measuring devices. I hope you understood this exercise. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care and stay blessed.